So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out and organizing my refrigerator. I've been looking forward to this for a while. I got some organizers from Amazon. They are the spinny kind. So I'm excited to put these in my fridge. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but there's two of this size, which is, I think, 12 inches. There is two of this size, which I think is 10 inches, 10 something. But anyways, you get two of those as well in the set, guys, and that's so awesome. I think it was around maybe $23, $24. So, but I will link this down below if you're interested. But I am needing to just, come up with a little better solution to find things way in the back. So probably rearrange some shelving and come along while we get this fridge reorganized and cleaned out. Hi friends, thanks so much for joining me on today's video. This is going to be a collaboration hosted by myself, Sherry Prather, and come on over to the Prather Life where we are having lots of fun over here. We do cleaning, organization, declutter, just anything homemaking that will help encourage you to get something done in your home as well. And make sure you check out the playlist, and we'll have some other great content creators on there that you can check out. All right, guys, let's get on to today's video. So here's my finished product. I am so pleased and happy with it. I ended up doing condiments on top, so they're easy accessible. I even have room in the back to add stuff, maybe some pickles or something. This is all our leftovers that we have in cooking containers. You can get these on Amazon for leftovers. Easy grab, easy see. And then same down here, I did all of my beverages, milk, creamer, orange juice. I put my whipped cream back in there, whipping cream, and got plenty of room back here if I need to add. This is my kitty food. Shelf 3 is all breakfast stuff. I'll probably be adding to this like some bagels and English muffins and whatnot. Oh, there goes my clock. So I've got my eggs and all of my jellies, and like this is for bagels, the whipped cream cheese, and all my jellies. So there we go, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And down here is our Cokes in a little container. I put another Lazy Susan right here for like salsa, cheese, like the jarred cheese. Don's got his cottage cheese right here too. And yeah, that's gonna be so much easier. This is gonna be my snack bin, like meats and cheeses, veggies. And then down here is our leftovers drawer. So we got pizza, leftover beef stew, and yeah, that's gonna work so much better. And hopefully it'll keep it cleaner and easier to grab and see what we have. I went ahead and organized the side door as well. Looks so much better. Down at the bottom is mixes, like chocolate syrup, cherries. I keep my broth in here on the side. Barbecue sauces are up from that. This is all like Chinese sauces when we do Chinese. This is our salad dressing and steak sauces. Then we've got a few pickles and condiments up here. Mostly Don's hot sauce is over here. This is my Manjaro. I keep that up there in my butter thing. In fact, I probably need to add some more butter to my dish today. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you would use those Lazy Susans, those carousels, to make life easier. I'll make sure I link them down below if you're interested. But oh my gosh, so much better. Alright friends, hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.